U.S. breaks all-time record for dividends as investor payouts surge. A man walks past the bull statue near the New York Stock Exchange in New York City. The Janus Henderson Global Dividend Index said that U.S. dividends totaled a record $122.5 billion during the period, up 8.3%. Underlying U.S. Janus Henderson expects a record $1.43 trillion in dividend payments this year, up 4.2% in headline terms, led by North America, where growth is the fastest worldwide on an underlying basis. A dividend is a portion of a company's earnings that are paid out as a reward to shareholders. Janus Henderson, Europe has seen relatively few dividends paid out in the first quarter, with headline growth of 9.2% boosted by special dividends, while underlying growth of 5.3% was in line with the 2018 performance. The UK lagged. The Asia-Pacific region has demonstrated the strongest dividend growth since 2009, and the year-on-year headline growth of 14.7% broke the record for first-quarter payouts. Head of Global Equity Income Ben Lofthouse commented in the research that this reflects market dividends. Investors can look forward to dividend growth of around 4% to 5% in 2019 and another record year for dividend payments, the report suggested. The report specifically cited Japan as having exceeded the global average for the past 5 years as Japanese companies adapt to dividend culture. Lofthouse told CNBC's Squawk. Emerging markets showed weaker growth of 2.2%, which the report attributed to these economies being the first to feel the effects of tighter U.S. monetary policy and global trade fears. Pharmaceutical stocks offered the largest payouts, contributing $1 for every $8 distributed globally, with the sector delivering an all-time record of $30.1 billion despite its underlying growth rate lagging the global average.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park, pot.